The Georgia Department of Transportation says the major construction portion of the Forest Hill Road project was completed in January, but work on the second landscaping phase of the project will continue until January 2019. The first phase was designed to improve safety along the well-traveled North Macon Street. The road has been widened enough for the addition of a turning lane, and the project features include the realignment of Old Lundy and Lock Choppy intersection. Construction crews are either currently working on or still have plans to complete other improvements, including pouring sidewalks, curb and gutter work, subgrading a culvert, and asphalt paving. There also will be guardrails, light poles, and a traffic signal installed, and crews will plant trees and grass.